Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a requested video. I have been asked to start doing my palette bingos again, where I have the Pretty Random app pick which eyeshadow colors I'm going to use and do an eye look with it. So we're going to do that today. I chose two of my Jeffree Star eyeshadow palettes. I recently did my How Old Is That palette a video, and I did all my Jeffree Star palettes, and there was a couple in there I felt like I need to use. So what better way to use them than letting the Pretty Random app choose which colors I'm going to use. So we're going to use today Jeffree Star's Beauty Killer. This is what it looks like. It's a 10-pan palette. There we go. And we're going to use, that was his first palette. And then we're going to use the Cotton Candy Queen. And it's 14 pans. There we go. This is my newest one. This is not his newest one, because I know he's done several. But this is my newest one. So what we're going to do is, I think I'm going to pick two. Let me find a scrap of paper. Okay. I'm going to choose two from the Beauty Killer and three from the Cotton Candy palette, and we'll go from there. So from Beauty Killer, there are we're going to pop ups on my phone. We're going to start with the first one, and that's number 9. And then the next number, number 1. Number 1 and number 9. Okay. Number 1, Star Power. And number 9 is China White. So, alright, we're getting off to a good start. Now, let me reset my app here. And we've got 14 to choose from. Okay. Now, let's pick 3. 12. 10. 8. Okay, let's see what those are. 8 is Baby Blue. And then this blue. Okay. And then this purple. So all of these are mattes. I have all mattes. It's an all matte look. Hot pink, white, and 2 shades of baby blue and a shade of like pastel-y pink. I mean purple. Oh my word. Okay, I am going to have to add to this, because I need something in my crease. And let's see what we come up with. Let's get started. Let me get my brush and let me just wipe it out a bit. And I'm going to start with the Beauty Killer palette, and we're going to go into China White, which is that one. Let's see what we get. All right, let me move my mirror closer. And I'm just going to use this one to set everything. There we go. And there we go. Okay. Now, I do need to deepen. I need a little bit of a crease shade, so I am going to add to it. But I'm going to be real sparingly. I'm going to go in with, carefully with Vanity right here on my brush. Carefully. And I'm going to add it to my crease. I'm looking just for some depth. I want to deepen the crease before I put all these pastel colors on. I'm going to blend I didn't add anything extra to this. It's just what was left from that China white that I put in. Basically all I was doing was blending. I wasn't putting color on. Alright. You just make sure these are even. I think I need a little more of the dark shade over here maybe. Okay, now what am I going to put in the crease? I think I'm going to go with the purple. And that is, the color of the purple is Ice Cream Drip. That's it right there. So let me move this palette closer to me. Let me grab a fluffier crease brush. Go into Ice Cream Drip. And I'm going to go over that dark Vanity shade. Those two actually play very well together. That makes us a nice, crease color. Look at there. Good job, Patricia, good job. Yeah, I like those two together. Look, that looks nice together. Wow. Huh. See, you don't know until you do something like this. All right. There we go. Very pretty. I am okay with that. I think that looks pretty good. Now I think I'm gonna take me a nice brush. I'm gonna go into Star Power. I can guarantee I have never touched this shade before. I'm just gonna put it on my outer V. Just like so. Very colorful. I'm going to go in with this Cotton Candy Party, which is that blue. And that one is going on my inner corner here. Just like so. And I'm not going to take my finger. I'm going to take this same brush. I'm going to go into Confetti Sky, which is that really pale, that's very pale baby blue. I'll put that in the center. Let's pat that around to where it blends with the others. It's not bad. You know I like a good shimmer, but no shimmer today. Okay, I'm going to take a small detail brush and I'm going back in the purple Ice Cream Drip and put it under my lower lash line. That is a pastel eye look. And I am not unhappy with it. I am okay with that. I'm going to put my mascara on, maybe a little bit of liner, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. All I did was add a little purple eyeliner in my lower waterline. It's Voodoo by Urban Decay, and put my mascara on. I have a little bit of a smudge there from mascara. That's it. But look, I don't know if you can tell. Look how green my eyes are with this. I hope it's showing up. To me, sitting here, my eyes are like extremely green. Ignore the bloodshot in my eyes. But yeah, they are. That color combo really gives me some green eyes today. My eyes are green, but sometimes they look more green than other days. But yeah. very green today. So that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed this. I do enjoy doing this, so I'm glad it was requested that I start doing this again, and I will. It's a lot of fun. So guys, thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. And thanks for spending some time with me. I'll see y'all next time.